Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. So this week I'm really excited about a new piece of equipment that we got, and I wanted to tell everybody about it and kind of inform you guys of what it is, so if you hear about it you know what we're talking about. And also, you know, just being excited that as a clinic we always try to keep up with the best medicine possible and make sure that we're always keeping up with the newest ways of treating our patients and making sure that they're healthy and comfortable and you know, staying as best treated as possible. So we recently obtained a laser machine. There's different types of lasers. There's a surgical laser which can be used to do surgery instead of like a scalpel blade or something. There's also a therapeutic laser, which is what we actually got. And there's lots of different types out there. The one I purchased was actually the same type that I was using while in Thailand, while doing my volunteer work there. Obviously in Thailand there was a lot of infectious disease and wounds and things like that, and so I used the laser a lot while I was in Thailand, and I really got to like it. I even used it on myself, and I do see a huge improvement. Basically what laser does, I'm going to show you, is this little machine here, and it's got this little thing with the lights. Okay, and basically what it does is it has different settings of different hertz of energy that it's sending out into the body, and some settings do healing, others do pain, others do inflammation, and the one that we bought actually also kills bacteria, and it's an antimicrobial, and it's used a lot to prevent against MRSA, or actually even treat MRSA, which is really neat. You know, so if we have one of those open wounds, then we can go ahead and make sure that it doesn't get a nasty, you know, very difficult to treat infection. I'm actually out here at the stables. You can see kind of the horses coming and going because we're out here treating a horse who has a very large wound on its foot, and so we're going to start treatment today and get that healed up. And basically what it does is it stimulates the cells and the healing properties, and so by doing that it helps to heal quicker. So we get all those healing molecules to come to the area because of the increased circulation and stuff. And it also greatly decreases the discomfort, the pain, and even the swelling. So for example, in the horse out here on the wound, we're using it for three things. One is an antibacterial, because horses can get bacteria in the wounds that will later cause the wound to kind of go crazy on us. So it's an antibacterial. We're using it for the pain, we're using it to heal, and in the leg above the wound it's got some swelling, so we're also using it for swelling, and it really helps. You know, like I said, I've been using it on myself. I had an ear infection while in Thailand, and also some chronic tendonitis and stuff, and it's been great. So with that, kind of you as the pet owner, what can you do? So basically, if your pet is having surgery, it's great to use for post-surgical care. We've been using it on the patients right after surgery. We'll go ahead and do a laser treatment, and studies have shown that they heal much faster and with less post-op problems in the area if we do the laser. So that's a great way. It's not very expensive. You just add it on to your surgery, and that way that you know your pet's getting what it needs. The other way is for those pets with wounds. Definitely great to help heal wounds. Also ear infections, bladder infections, anything like that. It's really marvelous. It's been working great on my ear infection, and I had several patients in Thailand that had ear infections that I was using it on as well, and I could see a big improvement. And then lastly, for our arthritic patients, those patients that have a lot of arthritis, maybe in the hips or elbows or along the spine, the pain and inflammation one can help a lot with that. And so we can even set up packages if you have an arthritic patient, where you know you come in on a routine basis and we just do treatment as part of the overall arthritis care. So obviously you're going to be doing your glucosamine and chondroitin and maybe some type of an anti-inflammatory medication, but you can also do the laser. And we have AcuPoint spots that come with this laser that we can do as well. And the AcuPoint is great because it can be used to help anxiety. You know, if the pet's anxious when it comes in, we can kind of help soothe them. You know, we can do all sorts of things like renal, kidney problems and liver problems and heart problems and arthritis and, you know, hormonal issues. And if we look into some of our historic Chinese medicine stuff, the acupuncture is great for that. And so we can do a similar thing called AcuPoint with the laser and get some pretty good results. So basically the sky's the limit on this thing. I think it's a great medical improvement to our clinic, and I'm super excited about it, and I hope that you guys are too. And we actually have one for both Mesa and for our mobile clinic. In the mobile clinic, it doesn't do as much of the bacteria, but definitely helps with healing, infections, arthritis, post-surgical, and things like that. So anyways, check it out if you have any questions. If you have any patients that you think might do well with it, then let us know and we can explain a little bit more. We can get you some brochures or some videos or things like that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.